This is sight words list 2. Practice these sight words first by hearing the sounds to the word and then writing the word on your paper. Here we go. The first word is as. As. The S is sounding like a Z in this case. As. Next word, at. 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 Next word, be. B. E. B. Next word, by. B. I. By. The Y helping out. Next word, do. D. Ooh. The O. Making a different sound because she's a vowel and she can. Next word, from. 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 Next word, it. 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 Next word, me. 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 Next word, on. On. Next word, say. A and Y working together to say a. Say. That's all for today. Go ahead and practice again